So today we'll start with the topic gratuity in income from salaries. ध्यान ना देखो gratuity first of all it's a retirement benefit. It is a retirement benefit. First ਇਹਦੀ condition ਕੀ ਆਈ कि gratuity if received during the employment अगर ਤੁਸੀਂ gratuity ਦਾ पैसा retirement benefit ਦਾ पैसा during your employment ले लो तो it is fully taxable. ਇੱਥੇ ਕੋਈ exemption नहीं मिलती. Whether you are government employee, non-government employee, sublay, it's fully taxable. बोलो gratuity if received during employment, it is fully taxable. Secondly, gratuity if received at the time of retirement. जब retire होए तो कहना it is a retirement benefit. अगर ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ during the employment ही ले लिया, receive कर लिया, ठीक है? Then you are taking it as a salary to use for your work. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਰਿਟਾਇਰਮੈਂਟ ਤੱਕ ਵੇਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤੀ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਸੋ ਉੱਥੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਇਹਦੇ ਤੇ ਐਗਜ਼ੈਂਪਸ਼ਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲਦੀ ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਫੁਲੀ ਟੈਕਸੇਬਲ whether you are government employee non government employee simple but if you received it at the time of retirement so you get an exemption under section 1010 while studying this you are learning a topic for salary chapter and you are learning an exemption for exempted incomes exempt under section 1010. Are you getting that? ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ theoretical question ਆਂਦਾ exempted incomes ਦਾ yes or no ਹੈ ਨਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ lesson ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ section 10 ਹੀ cover ਹੁੰਦਾ that is exempted incomes section 10 gratuity ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਕਦ ਮਿਲਦੀ ਹੈ exemption if you receive it at the time of retirement ਹੁਣ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ exemption ਮਿਲਦੀ read that exempt under section 10 if you are a government employee then it's fully exempt. If you're a government employee, it's fully exempt. Okay, Raja, yes or no? If you're a government employee and you receive gratuity at the time of retirement, so it is fully exempt. And if you are a non-government employee, then third category देखी जाओगी कि do you belong under, are you a POGA employee or non-POGA? POGA means payment of gratuity act they under fall करते या नहीं करते, depending upon the conditions. So if you are following POGA Act 1972. So you will be following these conditions. Okay? If you're non-POGA, then these conditions will be followed. Okay? Yes or no? So की देखना सब तो पहला दो terms बोल दो. If you receive gratuity at the time of employment, during employment, it's fully taxable. Any employee, ठीक है? If you receive it at the time of retirement, you get an exemption under section 1010. कि गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय ਨੂੰ कितनी exemption मिलती fully exempt clear है जितना amount received fully exempt ठीक है second is non government उत्थे you need to categorize yourself as POGA employee or non POGA now what is that तीन terms ਕਿਹੜੇ आंदे तीन restriction limits ਕਿਹੜੇ आंदे आ under the POGA employee actual amount received for gratuity or 20 lakh or 15/26 ਦਾ concept 2 ਮਿੰਟ ਰੁਕੋ ਦੱਸਦਾ into salary per month last drawn into year of service. This rule will learn. दूसरी side compare करो actual amount received same, condition 1 same, limit 2 20 lakh same, third ची difference है. Third देखिए क्या half month salary किदी करनी average salary per month of completed years of service, ignoring the fraction. ਇੱਥੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਮਝਦੇ ਦੋਨਾਂ 'ਚ ਕੀ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਸ ਆਇਆ ਤਿੰਨੋਂ ਟਰਮਸ ਦੀ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਫਾਈਂਡ ਕਰਕੇ ਯੂ ਵਿਲ ਚੈੱਕ ਵਿਚ ਐਵਰ ਇਜ਼ ਲੈਸ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਟੈਕਸੇਬਲ ਆਊਗਾ ਜਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਐਗਜ਼ੈਂਪਟ ਮਿਲਣਾ exemption मिलोगी ठीक है first of all again if you are a non POGA employee actual amount received for gratuity or 20 lakhs or 1/2 means half of every salary of the completed years of service जिन्ने years दी ਤੁਹਾਡੀ सर्विस है completed year means अगर आ देखो 30 years 4 months काम किते if you worked under some employer you worked for 30 years 4 months completed years कितने आए 30 years 30 years 6 months again completed years कितने 30 and 30 years 9 मंथ्स च भी किया होगा, इधर नहीं, इस केस च पूछ रहे हैं, आई एम आस्किंग यू। इधर किया होगा अगेन 30। कंप्लीटेड ईयर्स किन्ने, ठीक है। जेड़ा इस साइड रूल लिखिया आ वो किदे लिए लिखिया, फॉर दिस साइड। इधर ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ वर्ड की क्या, सिंपली कंप्लीटेड ईयर्स सने। अगर तुसी 30 ईयर्स 11 मंथ्स 29 डेज भी काम किया, हाउ मेनी आर योर कंप्लीटेड ईयर्स? 30, चाहे एक दिन रहंदा सी 31 ईयर्स बनाने, बट दिस फॉलोज द रूल ऑफ कंप्लीटेड ईयर्स ऑफ सर्विस, इग्नोरिंग द फ्रैक्शन, यस और नो, क्लियर? सो इस साइड पे तुसी 30 ईयर्स ही फॉलो करोगे, ठीक है। लेफ्ट साइड देखो, एक्चुअल अमाउंट 20 लैक्स और 15/26, 15/26 क्यों, पहली चीज तो आई। इधर की बढ़िया राजा, राइट साइड पे हाफ मंथ सैलरी, यस और नो, हाफ मंथ सैलरी, हाफ मंथ यू कैन सेव फॉर 15 days also, half month means 15 days out of 30. But under the POGA Act, Payment of Gratuity Act, the act says that there are 26 working days excluding Sundays. How many working days are there? 26 excluding Sundays normally. ठीक है, सो वो कहते कि 15 days सैलरी अगर लेनी, टेक इट आउट ऑफ 26 ना, सो 1/2 नहीं ना बनूंगा। नॉर्मली हाफ मंथ भी से 1/2 और वी कैन से 15/30, बट पोगा एक्ट के अंदर कि देर आर 26 वर्किंग डेज नॉर्मली, सो इफ यू वांट टू टेक सैलरी ऑफ 15 days, टेक इट आउट ऑफ 26, अकाउंट फॉलो करना, पोगा एक्ट, ओके। डिफरेंस और कितने हैं, इधर 15/26, इधर से 15 days एक्चुअली मीन्स 1/2, इधर से कंप्लीटेड ईयर्स ऑफ सर्विस, इधर ईयर्स ऑफ सर्विस विद राउंडिंग अप, राउंडिंग अप की पड़ेगा। 30 years 4 months means 30 years, 30 years 6 months means 30 years, but 30 years 9 months means 31 years, means round up only when it is in excess of 6 months. This is the rule. किस साइड राउंडिंग करनी है, पोगा दे, नॉन पोगा राउंडिंग ऑफ नहीं। ओके, थर्ड डिफरेंस, इतनी केड़ी सैलरी लेगी, सैलरी पर मंथ लास्ट ड्रॉ, मतलब जब तुसी रिटायर हुए उस टाइम तुसी पर मंथ कितनी सैलरी लेंदे सी, सैलरी पर मंथ लास्ट ड्रॉ। और इस साइड के लिए क्या, एवरेज सैलरी पर मंथ, पिछले 10 मंथ्स थी वो असं नीचे रूल्स पढ़ते, कैलकुलेट द एवरेज सैलरी फॉर 10 मंथ्स एक्सक्लूडिंग द मंथ ऑफ रिटायरमेंट। विल कीप ऑन रिवाइजिंग दीज रूल्स, ताही बोल बोल के याद होंगे, नो वरी दैट, ओके। कितने मंथ्स की एवरेज करनी बोलो, 10 मंथ्स की एवरेज सैलरी करोगे एक्सक्लूडिंग द मंथ ऑफ रिटायर, जिस मंथ रिटायर है उन्हें छाड़ दियो। इफ यू रिटायर्ड ऑन 15th Feb, you will take 10 months till January, means January and previous 9 months more. Yes or no? If you retired on 28th Feb, then also. If you retired on 1st March, then February, January, and 8 months. On the average karo. Okay. Now, next thing. For this gratuity, what's the meaning of salary? For POGA Act, salary includes basic salary plus full DA. DA then alik word padya se which are in terms and which is not in terms. Ithe both the DA is included in POGA. And non-POGA, basic salary plus DA in terms plus commission on turnover. बहुत जगह ते ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਆ ਵਾਲੀ ਸੈਲਰੀ ਦੀ ਡੈਫੀਨੇਸ਼ਨ ਯੂਜ਼ ਹੁੰਦੀ, salary includes basic salary plus DA in terms, or we can say DA which enters in terms of retirement, and commission on turnover. In POGA Act, its salary is equal to basic salary plus full DA. Bas. Okay, read the rules once and we'll speak once again. Quick. Tell me, short se socho. What were the rules? First point, gratuity if received during employment, क्या होगा? Fully taxable. And if at retirement, then you'll get Exemption under section 1010. What's the exemption there? Government employee, non-government employee. Yes or no? Government employee, fully exempt. Non-government, we have to divide it in two parts. That is, if the employee is under POGA Act 1972 और नॉन पोगा दोनों साइड कितनी टर्म्स है देयर आर थ्री लिमिट्स बोलो पहली केड़ी लिखी है हाँ जी अमाउंट रिसीव्ड एक्चुअली ओके सेकंड रुपीज 20 lakhs third was half month salary so we can do 1 by 2 into average salary of last 10 months preceding the month of retirement and completed years of service yes or no तिन्ना दा आंसर आ जाओगा whichever is less that will be exempt whichever is less is the exemption amount so जेड़ा receive होया होगा ਉਹਦੇ ਚੋਂ ਆ वाला deduct करो then you will get the taxable amount yes or no इस साइड बोलो अच्छा एक चीज और सी इधर और की what is salary basic salary plus DA in terms plus commission on turnover इस साइड बोलो फर्स्ट पॉइंट अमाउंट रिसीव्ड 20 lakhs और इथे आंदा 15/26 into last drawn salary per month yes or no into years of service with rounding off only in excess of upward only in excess of 6 months okay and salary basic salary plus full day whether in terms or not in terms okay and rounding off maybe we discussed ki 30 years plus let us suppose 4 months it will be considered 30 years 30 years 6 months 30 years this is star okay and 30 years 7 months 30 any doubt clear sure now let's check the question illustration 29 Mr. Babu retired on 30 November 2024 from a coal mine after putting a service of 28 years and 10 months at the time of his retirement he was getting a salary of 16,000 per month and he used to get an increment of rupees 500 per month on 1st April every year हर साल उन्होंने 500 का increment मिलता ਸੀ his DA was 2,000 per month gratuity received 3,40,000 find out his taxable gratuity if he is covered under the Gratuity Act 1972 मतलब he is पोगा or non पोगा 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 दे पहला रूल सोचो what were the rules of पोगा is this one so इतने first condition क्या होगी amount actually received कितना मिले उन्होंने 3,40,000 कोई दिक्कत नहीं second point was 20 lakh कोई दिक्कत नहीं सिर्फ की सोचना थर्ड पॉइंट 15/26 फिक्स्ड है इनटू सैलरी पर मंथ लास्ट ड्रॉन और सैलरी इंक्लूड्स बेसिक सैलरी प्लस फुल डीए टेल मी जदों रिटायर होया उस टाइम ਉਹਨੂੰ सैलरी की मिल रही सी 16,000 सैलरी एंड व्हाट वाज द डीए 2,000 ਅਸੀਂ दोनों इंक्लूड करने यस और नो सैलरी प्लस फुल डीए सो 16 + 2 पर मंथ कितना मिल रहा है 18,000 यस और नो सो उस थर्ड इक्वेशन की आ गया 15/26 we know into सैलरी कितनी आ गई पर मंथ लास्ट ऑन 18,000 into years of service with rounding off so यदि rounding off करके क्या होगा 29 Check out the answer. कितनी वैल्यू होगी? Tell me. 15 by 26 into 18,000 into 29. How much? कितना है? Yes, 301,154. Yes or no? 3,40,000, 20 lakhs, or 301,154. Yes or no? Whichever is lower. Lower आ गया 301,154. मिलेगा कितना सी gratuity amount? 3,40,000. Out of that, you got exemption under section 1010 for this amount. So this is your taxable amount of gratuity. Yes or no? Any doubt? As per the rule, simple. Online, any doubt, Raja? Okay. Next one. Next question. Mr. Damodar retired on 15th June 2024 from a manufacturing company after putting service of 30 years and 7 months. Okay, sir. He received a gratuity of rupees 3,60,000. Basic salary of Mr. Damodar was 20,000 per month during 2023 and 22,000 per month during 2024. He was also getting DA at the rate 5,000 per month, which was increased from 4,000 on 1st April 2024. 50% of DA is presumed to enter into salary for computation of all the retirement benefits, but 100% of DA is part of basic salary for calculation of pension benefits. Compute his taxable gratuity is not covered under the होगा. कुछ नहीं, तुसी सिर्फ अपने रूल सोचो. First of all, he is not covered under POGA. So first point is, देखो सब तो ऊपर तुसी लिख के लेना बच्चा. Basic format तो अड़ा ही रहूगा. Everything else forms the part of working notes. Yes or no? So जब gratuity का answer find करना, पहली चीज your basic solving is gratuity received given at 3,60,000 और जो तीन amounts तुसी exemptions दे लिख के whichever is less करके taxable करोगे. Yes or no? Agree? In a format में लिख के after that you can start with your working note. Yes or no? Now what will happen? So he received a gratuity of 3,60,000, वो चीज मिल गई. Exempt under section 1010. Actual 360. Maximum limit 20 lakhs. Third point केड़ा लगना? पोगा या नॉन पोगा? They are saying नॉन पोगा. नॉन पोगा दे अंदर 1/2 into something आऊगा, इस जगह सानू नहीं पता हाले, है ना? This is missing. Into completed years of service. So with us 30 years 7 months. Completed is 30 years. Yes or no? Completed years इतने कोई rounding up कुछ भी नहीं है. Not possible. So 30 years are the completed years in non-POGA. You are only left to find this one. Yes or no? You'll get your answer. Only one thing is which we have to work. Yes or no? ਹੁਣ ਦੱਸੋ ਇਸ case salary ਦਾ meaning ਕੀ ਹੈ? Basic salary plus DA in terms plus commission on turnover. Commission है कितने क्वेश्चन? No. एक चीज खत्म. बचा कि एक चीज आई basic salary, दूसरी चीज आई DA in terms. Now tell me basic salary कितनी होती? You have to find for how many months? Previous 10 months, ignoring the month of retirement. When did he retire? 15th June 2024. So tell me, अगर basic salary वाली side 10 months लिखोगे, June तक ignore करना. So we have to write May 2000, बोलो 24. May तो पहला, April, March, February, January. सारे 24 दिए. Then 23 ਦੇ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਆਉਗੇ? December, November, October, September, August. These are for 2023. Agree? These are for 23. Yes or no? Agree? Now tell me, what was the basic salary in 2024 and 23? दोनों check करो. Can the basic salary was 20,000 per month during 2023? Per month 20,000. मतलब 20,000, 20,000, 20,000, 20,000, 20,000. Yes or no? And in 2024 it is 22,000. Okay, sir. So 22,000 we can say into 5. You do like that also. इधर आया 1 lakh 10,000 and 20,000 into 5 is 1 lakh. Agree? Basic salary is complete. Now we have to work on DA. DA which is in terms. Tell me. He was also getting DA at the rate 5,000 per month, which was increased from 4,000 on 1st April 2024. April ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ DA? 5,000. Earlier it was 5,000. 50% of the DA is presumed to enter into salary. पहली चीज DA चाहिए ਕਿਹੜਾ in terms है ना. First tell me DA ਮਿਲ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਰਿਹਾ. DA ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਮਈ ਚ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਮਿਲਿਆ ਬੱਚਾ? 5,000. April ਚ ਵੀ 5,000. April ਚ change ਹੋਇਆ ਨਾ. ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ it was 4,000. Means how many months? 8 months it was 4,000. Agree? We are writing for 10 months. 2 months it's 5,000 and 8 months it will be 4,000. Yes or no? So either total क्या है? Tell me. DA 4 8s are 32 and 10. 42,000 total आया. Yes or no? But we need DA in terms. कितना क्या उन्होंने? Only 50% enters into salary for computation of the retirement benefits. मतलब DA in terms of retirement benefits कितने हैं? 50% only. So कितना आ गया? 21,000. So now tell me salary ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ कितनी बनी? 1,10,000 plus 1 lakh. इससे बेसिक सैलरी आ गई और 21,000 DA in terms आ गए. Total is 2,31,000 rupees. 2,31,000. Now 231 चाहिए था या the average चाहिए थी? What was written in the formulas? Average salary of 10 months. Yes or no? What was there? You need average salary. 10 months की सारी salary थोड़ी ले लोगे. 10 का average करो. Average ਦਾ बच्चा कहता फायदा. देखो अगर सैलरी बेसिक सैलरी या डीए चेंज हो रहा then average salary will would effect ना would be affected. But अगर सैलरी डीए जस्ट सब सेम रहे फिर तो वो एवरेज भी सेम ही आनी. कोई भी चीज नो 10 टाइम्स ऐड कर लो 5 डिवाइडेड बाय 10 कर दो इट विल रिमेन सेम. इफ आई से आई विल पे यू 10,000 पर मंथ 10 मंथ की सैलरी की नहीं होगी 1 लाख. वापस एवरेज करोगे तो यू विल डिवाइडेड बाय 10. It will again come to 10,000. Means if the basic salary and DA doesn't change, then average will be simple. But if it changes, तो average can be anything. ठीक है? So average find कितनी आई तो आपको 231 divided by 10 will be 23,100. Yes or no? 23,100 की any ही average use कितने थे? Yes or no? Yes or no? 1 by 2 into 23,100 into 30. So it becomes 3,46,500. So tinna cho whichever is less. 346,500 you got exemption, and 13,500 becomes your taxable amount of gratuity. Okay, you getting that? और normally यही ਹੁੰਦਾ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਟੈਕਸ ਚ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਕੰਪਲਿਕੇਟਡ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਸੋਲਵਿੰਗ ਚ ਉਹੀ ਉੱਥੇ ਮਿਨੀਮਮ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਅਗਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਦੀ ਕੈਲਕੂਲੇਸ਼ਨ ਸਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤੀ your answer will not be correct. ठीक है, नॉर्मली इतना ही करते हो जो इजी टर्म्स है ਇੱਥੇ ਦਾ ਦਿਮਾਗ ਲੱਗਣਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਪੋਜ਼ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਣਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ 4 ਲੱਖ ਸਮਥਿੰਗ 446 ਸਮਥਿੰਗ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਨਾ ਅਗਰ ਕੀ ਆਣਾ ਸੀ 4,46,000 ਸਮਥਿੰਗ ਔਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਦੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਗਲਤੀ ਨਾਲ 443 ਸਮਥਿੰਗ ਵੀ ਲਿਖ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਤਾਂ ਵਿਚ ਐਵਰ ਇਜ਼ ਲੈਸ ਤਾਂ ਬਾਅਦ 360 ਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਇਫੈਕਟ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੈਣਾ ਇਸ ਲਈ ਕੀ ਰੱਖੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਟਰਮਸ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਇੱਥੇ ਬਾਕੀਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਲੀਸਟ ਹੀ ਆਏ समझ रहे कि अगर तुसी गलती की थी तो ਉਹਦਾ ਫਿਰ ਆਨਸਰ ਤੇ ਇਫੈਕਟ ਜਾਏਗਾ normally it happens okay any doubt online any doubt बच्चा basic solving of gratuity okay ਇੱਥੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ solve भी करना ना here it will be 42,000 ठीक है बाकी presentation patterns कोई doubt we have written ignoring the month of retirement every month we have written details सब कुछ ठीक है presentation इस format से करोगे ठीक है so here it was basic salary plus DA in terms total आ गया होती average salary आ गई 20,000 3,100 okay yes or no now one more thing check question 24 C part Excel employee of ABC Limited receives rupees 26,500 as gratuity under the Payment of Gratuity Act 1972 होगा एक्ट फॉलो हो रहा है He retires on 13 November 2024 after rendering service of 34 years and 4 months. At the time of retirement, his monthly salary was rupees 1352, including DA of rupees 100 per month. Including DA of rupees 100 per month. So what does they want? They want to you to determine the amount of gratuity chargeable to tax. First of all, what's the type of the employee? Poga or non-Poga? Poga is falling under the Poga Act 1972. Poga Act, the first condition was पहला simply दोस्तों received कितने 26,500. Yes or no? You'll get exemption under section 1010. Least of the following. First point is actual amount. Second is rupees 20 lakhs. Third one. Third is 1 by 2 or 15 by 26. 15 by 26 into average salary or salary last one. Last one. Okay, that will check into years of service with rounding off in excess of 6 months. But here it is 4 months, so 34 only. So you need only to work on this. So now tell me, salary last one. Can there 1352 including DA? Now think of DA चाहिए या नहीं? होगा at the अंदर सी basic salary plus full DA. So means you'll use 1352 as it is. कुछ भी नहीं बचा क्वेश्चन सोचने लायक. Just check out which is less. So it's 1352 into 34 into 15 divided by 26. It becomes 26,520. But still, whichever is less is 26,500. So taxable की आया नहीं. Yes or no? Agree? Check करो answer. Exempted gratuity taxable. हाँ जी. What was the doubt? DA already included. See, agar वो कहता excluding the will add 100 in that, but they are saying already included, and we need both. Okay. Now check question 23A part. Mr. B was an employee of Ray and Nath. Employee of Ray and Nath after 42 years of service. Re- Retired on 28th February 2025. He was drawing a monthly salary due on 1st of every month of 5,000 in 2022, 5,500 in 23, 6,000 from 1st January 24 onwards. On retirement, he received gratuity of 1,26,000. Compute the taxable amount of gratuity. Compute the taxable amount of gratuity. कि क्वेश्चन ने लिखा पोगा नॉन पोगा? Tell me. So if it is not written, you will assume non पोगा. ठीक है, स्पेसिफिकली वो पर्सन पोगा एक्ट के अंडर नहीं आ रहे, तो ही इज नॉर्मल नॉन पोगा. ठीक है ना. नॉन पोगा दे बोलो सब तो पहली चीज यू विल राइट एक्चुअल ग्रेजुटी अमाउंट रिसीव्ड हाउ मच 1,26,000. Then you will show exempt under section. Tell me. 10 10. Point number one, amount received. Second, limit 20 lakhs. Third, ठीक है, फॉर्मेट्स तो सिर्फ बताओ ऊपर वाले क्वेश्चन ही प्रॉपर यूज कर रही हो. नाउ नॉन पोगा मींस 1/2 into average salary of the preceding 10 months before the month of retirement into completed years of service. कितने साल कंप्लीट हुए? 42 years. बचे आगे फाइंड कर ली this one. Now read his salary dates, salary amounts. He was drawing a monthly salary of 5,000 in this year, 5,500 next year, and 6,000 from 1st January 24 onwards. चौथा ईयर केड़ा है? 24-25 है ना? So 24-25 means April 24 to March 25. So April 24 तो था 6,000 के according ही चलोगे. Yes or no? Anywhere DI is written. चाहिए केड़ा बेसिक सैलरी प्लस DI in terms. DA बारे पॉइंट ही नहीं है. मतलब only basic salary is left. Now you need to get average. Average कितनी करनी? Preceding 10 months. Ignoring the month of retirement. So इन्हों तो छाड़ दो. Means you will consider January and 9 months of 2024. Yes or no? 9 months of 2024 means 2025 तक कौन आया? January. And 2024 तक कौन कौन आओगे? December, November, October, September, August, then July, June. And कितने हो गए? 8 हुए, 2 हो मई एंड अप्रैल. और अप्रैल तो केड़ी सैलरी हो चुकी 6,000. मींस जिन्ने 10 मंथ्स ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ ਸਭ ਦੀ ਸੈਲਰੀ ਕੀ ਹੈ 6,000. ਸੋ ਐਵਰੇਜ ਵਿਲ ਆਲਸੋ ਕਮ 6,000. ਮੀਂਸ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹੁਣ ਸੋਲਵ ਕਰੋਗੇ 6,000 into 10 that is 60,000. And after that when you will say average salary will be equal to 60,000 upon 10. That again comes back to rupees 6,000. ठीक है. So 6,000 ਇੱਥੇ fill करोगे you will get your answer like again 1,26,000. So less की आया again 1,26,000. So taxable की आया नहीं है. कौन सा 6,000 salary is given ना बच्चा from January 2024 onwards it's 6,000. So बाकी तो मैटर ही नहीं कर रहे, फिर वो सिर्फ कंफ्यूज कराने देते हैं. Yes or no? All and clear everyone? one more rule we learned, that is for pension, so that we can work on the questions for that tomorrow.